Hey, Ethan. How are you today?
Hi, Lily. I'm okay, but honestly, I feel a bit lost today.
Lost? What do you mean?
I don't know. I feel like I'm wasting my time every single day.
That sounds heavy. Tell me what's going on.
It's the same routine every day. I wake up, I check my phone, I scroll for hours, and before I know it, the day is gone.
And how does that make you feel?
Empty. Like I did nothing meaningful. And I don't even remember when this started happening.
Ethan, you are not the only one. But tell me, do you think this happened suddenly?
No, I think it slowly built up. First, it was just 5 minutes on phone, then 30 minutes, then hours. Now I don't even control it anymore.
That's exactly how distraction works. It doesn't attack you, it quietly takes over your habits.
So I lost control without realizing it?
Yes, and that's why it feels confusing now.
I try to fix it, but I fail again and again. I say tomorrow I will change, but nothing changes.
Because you are trying big changes at once. Big changes fail fast. Small changes stay.
But Lily, I think small changes feel useless.
No, they are not useless. They are invisible at first, but with time, they build everything.
Like, what should I do?
Start simple. Don't touch your phone for the first 10-15 minutes after waking up.
That's it?
Yes, that's enough to start breaking the cycle.
Lily, sometimes I feel like I already wasted too much time. Like I am already behind everyone. I see others doing so much more.
You are not behind, Ethan. You are just becoming aware now. You are only seeing their results, not their struggle.
I never thought about that.
Let me ask you something important. Do you want to change your life? Or do you just want to think about changing it?
I want to change it. I really do.
Then don't wait for motivation. Start with discipline.
But discipline is hard.
Not if it's small. Even 10 minutes a day is powerful because consistency is stronger than intensity.
I always thought I was lazy, but maybe I was just distracted.
Exactly. It's not laziness. It's lack of structure.
Do you ever think the people who are watching us right now might also be feeling this? Like they're wasting their time without even realizing it.
I think there are a lot of people like that. Most of them don't realize it in the moment. They think it's normal, just life being busy.
So they can fix it?
Yes, they can still change it, but only if they try to break the pattern before it becomes their identity. And maybe tomorrow, we should talk about something even stranger.
What do you mean? Like what? Like dreams. Because there's something wrong with them. And most people already know it. They just don't say it out loud. There is something wrong with your dreams.
That's not exactly what I meant, Ethan.
Then what did you mean?
I mean, people don't just sleep anymore. They escape.
Escape?
Yes. Dreams used to be rest. Now they're just processing.
Processing what?
Everything they avoid in the day. Fear, regret, pressure, memories.
So dreams are like backup thoughts?
More like unfiltered thoughts.
Sometimes I wake up feeling tired, even more tired than before sleeping.
That happens when your mind doesn't shut off properly.
So even sleep is not real rest anymore?
Not for most people, because their mind never learned how to stop. Because silence feels uncomfortable now.
What do you mean?
Think about it. When was the last time you just sat with nothing playing, no phone, no distraction?
I don't remember.
Exactly.
So we're always escaping something.
Not always something big. Sometimes just ourselves.
That sounds scary.
It is, but it's also normal now.
Normal shouldn't feel like this.
But it does, because people stopped noticing the difference between living and consuming time.
I think I understand now. Our dreams feel weird because our day is already overloaded.
Exactly. Your brain doesn't get empty space anymore, so it creates chaos at night.
So even my sleep is affected by my phone?
Not just your phone, everything you consume without pause.
Sometimes I see random scenes in my dreams, like places I've never been.
Your brain mixes everything you've seen, even things you didn't notice consciously.
Oh, so nothing in dreams is really new?
Not exactly. It's all borrowed fragments.
But, Lily, what if dreams are trying to tell us something?
They do like what you ignore during the day comes back louder at night. So dreams are like reminders.
Then why don't people pay attention to them?
Because it's easier to call them random than to understand them.
I think I've been running from my thoughts for a long time.
A lot of people are.
Even when I sit alone, I feel like I need something playing in the background. So if I stop distractions, I'll hear myself more.
And what if I don't like what I hear?
Then at least you'll finally know what you're dealing with.
Lily, do you ever feel overwhelmed by your own thoughts? What do you do then? I always thought I was just bad at focusing. Trained? So my habits changed my mind? That means I'm not even choosing it anymore. That's scary. How do I fix it? So the solution is to feel everything I was avoiding? And then what happens? That sounds harder than anything else. But if I do it, will I actually change? Awareness. Feels heavy. I think I finally understand. I wasn't lazy. I was just overstimulated. That explains so much. So what do I do now? Like not checking my phone in the morning? And after that? And what if I don't like what I feel? Lily, do you think people are afraid of their own mind? Maybe that's why everyone stays busy. It feels strange, realizing how much of life I've been missing. Then I guess I have a lot to notice. And it won't be easy, but it's possible, right?
Yes, I understand that feeling. I don't run from it anymore, but I used to. Everyone does. You're not bad at focusing. You're trained not to focus. Every scroll, every notification, every distraction, it teaches your brain to avoid stillness. And over time, your mind starts depending on those habits. So, no, you're not fully choosing it anymore. But it is reversible. You just have to do something most people avoid. Sit with discomfort without escaping it. Not all at once, just enough to slowly break the cycle. And then your mind begins to reset. It is hard. That's why most people never do it. First comes awareness, then change follows. It feels heavy because it removes excuses. You weren't lazy. You were overstimulated and underaware. Understanding is the first real step, not motivation, not discipline. Don't try to do everything. Just interrupt one pattern. And then notice what happens inside you when you don't escape. If you don't like it, that means you're finally looking in the right place. People aren't afraid of their mind. They're just unfamiliar with it. That strange feeling you have, that's the beginning of change. Not the change itself, but the start of it. You're not stuck. You just weren't aware. And yes, it won't be easy, but it is possible.
So I'm not stuck? I just wasn't awake?
See you tomorrow.